Yeah, now you are visible, sir.
Yes, yes. So we can start our conversation.
Yeah, definitely. So, first of all, I want to know about yourself.
Yeah. We are meeting first time, so could you introduce yourself?
Okay, okay. Yeah, my name is Amri Jrail. I am from Bihar. I am intermediate pass. If I talk about my hobby, so I love to travel. I love to talk new people, and I love to learn new things. I have YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos, and I have been running YouTube channel for last 6 months. And apart from that, I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. Yeah, that's all about me, sir.
Yes, yes.
I know about you.
Yes, yes. My name is Naveen. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I have completed my 12th standard. And now I'm just giving my time to improve myself, like spoken English and communication skill. That kind of things. Just I am giving my time. And my hobbies are playing cricket, football, and learning new things. And whenever I have time, then I try to meet different people, and just I want to know about what's people their likes and what their like hobbies and traveling. That kind of things I want to know. That that's all about myself.
Okay. So, sir, you completed 12 class, right?
Yes, in
So
this year,
nowadays,
yes.
are you studying and have you left your study?
In this year, I you can say yeah, I quit my study, but next year I am planning for like my higher education, and next year like 2025 I will take admission in university. But in this year, like 3 or 4 months, I'm just giving my time to improve myself.
Okay. So where do you want to take admission? In your area, in any Delhi, Bombay? Where do you want to go? Tell me.
I want to yes, yes, I want to take admission in New Delhi. You can say like Lucknow. Yes, yes. That means
Okay, that's good.
different state. Yes.
Okay. So this is your decided.
Yes, yes, I decided, but I have to tell my parents what will like this say and what will they like give opinion. That times I will like accept their opinion, but I decided I have to like take admission in different college because it's my dream college. You can say.
Okay, oh, that's great. That's great. And you have passion to study in further.
Yes, yes.
That's great, sir. And
Mm.
what do you do? And if I say like do you become anything? Do you want to become anything? Doctor, engineer, professor,
Yes,
police,
yes.
army?
Mm. Yeah, I have two goals. Like you can say, one is short-term goal and one is long-term goal. Short-term goal, like I want to just improve my English spoken, and a long-term goal, like I want to become a uh, investor. That means you can say entrepreneur. You know,
Okay, okay, okay. I know, I know.
yeah. That means
That's great.
business I want to do. Yeah.
Okay. So you want to become an entrepreneur,
No, no, no. Investor, you can say.
investor, entrepreneur, businessman. It is called businessman.
It's a part of like yeah, businessman. Yeah.
Okay. So when you decided, to learn English, sir?
Before 2 months, I just started my preparation to learn this language, and at that time, I had not any like knowledge about English, but now I'm able to like express my word in front of any person because
Mm.
like English that means if you have confident and and does not matter like you are saying any word all word like in English, but just is one thing is confident. If you have confident, then say your word because yeah, because we are not like a native speaker, just we have to like build our confidence day by day.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Right, right. So what kind of challenges did you face when you started learning English?
Mm. Yes, yes. Like I don't know about lot of things about grammar knowledge and grammar rules.
mm,
Two or three things I just learn. One is tense and one is model. That kind of things I just learn, and I don't know when I say in front of people, a little bit sentence I make. I know how to make, but I don't know how to make build like that long sentence. I don't know how to
mm,
make long sentence, but now I have knowledge and I have information about conjunction and preposition. If you have a conjunction and preposition, that times you can add your sentence in between, and then you can express your word in long term and long way.
mm.
That things
Yes,
I
yes.
face. Yeah.
Beginning time, it happens when you try to make sentence. Okay. It happens that you could not able to join, able to not put conjunction, preposition. Okay. But when you learn 2 years, 3 years, after that, then you will become, you will have become good speaker.
Yes.
Okay. So it takes
So
time. It happens.
yes, yes.
So don't
So
worry.
what do you do in your free time in your home?
Free time, I am working person and I'm doing work in the Kuwait. So free time when I get free time, so I would like to talk with people and I want to practice every single day.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And sometimes I read a book. Okay. And
Mm,
I try to talk. I try to talk with people because we know very well. If I practice, then we can go ahead and I can speak. So practice is the most important thing. Okay. And the practice is a success of key. Okay. So
mm.
um, yeah, go ahead.
So which thing follow just you want to improve your English as spoken. So which thing follow listening and English watching video and reading books and writing and speaking. Which kind of things you follow daily routine?
I have followed two things. First,
Yes,
I listen. Second, I speak as much as I can. Okay. Earlier, I am listening, and I'm speaking with co-learner. You can say
yes, yes,
people with new people like you. Okay.
yes. Mm.
So, do you have question? And can I ask you?
Yes, yes. I have one question. Uh,
Hmm.
like so, what is your favorite food?
Okay. Favorite food. Okay. So
Yes.
my favorite food is chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes I eat chicken biryani, and I'm in the Kuwait, so I'm given holiday on Friday. Okay.
Yes.
So I don't work on Friday.
Like
So
you are in India now.
I'm not in India. I'm not in India. I'm in the Oman because I'm in Kuwait.
Kuwait. Yeah, yeah. I think
Hmm.
Kuwait in that means Saudi Arabia near in Kuwait.
Yeah. Now you got.
Kuwait.
Now you got it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Saudi is close to Saudi. So Saudi is sorry. I'm living Kuwait. So Kuwait
mm.
is nearby
I,
Saudi.
yes. I think Iran and Qatar is near to Kuwait. I think.
Yeah, you can say Iran, Iraq,
Yes, yes,
Qatar,
yes.
Bahrain. Okay.
Mm.
These are these are in a small country, like India.
Mm.
Okay.
So
Population.
when did you go Kuwait for working purpose?
Hmm. No, I came to Kuwait in 2014. It's been 10 months.
Mm. 10 month. Okay.
Hmm.
Before 10 month.
Yeah, 10 months ago. I'm saying you 10 months ago.
Yes, yes. Mm. So, what is your experience in Kuwait and what was experience in India? What's mm, can you tell me about what's your experience in Kuwait?
Hmm. No, Before coming to Kuwait, when I was in India, so I did not have any experience. Okay, I used to operate in a power machine. I used to weave cloth in Mumbai. Okay, so when I came here, so my madam started, I started teaching food. I started, teaching food for me. That how to cook food. So after that, she taught me how to cook food. And after that I learned how to cook food. Then I started cooking food in the house. So I kept on working, in the house for 4 years. After that I left that job, and I came another place, and I'm here in the new place. So I
Yes.
have been working in this place for 5 years. Okay, so I did not have any experience when I was in India. So when I came here, so I learned so many things. I learned how to cook food, and how to train the pigeon. So nowadays I am training the pigeon. So I'm training the pigeon nowadays. I'm trainer of the pigeon. My coach has some business, so he has some pigeon farm. So I take care of pigeon farm. Okay.
Yes, yes. And also like you like travel a lot of things in Kuwait, different place like you went.
Yes, yes. And yeah, when I get holidays, so I go to different place, because I love to go different place. Okay. So there are three places. They are famous in the can say three places famous in the Kuwait, like Murgab, Malia, and File.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
foreign people go there. Okay, and they like to enjoy there. Okay, in that place. So when I get holiday, so I also go to that place. After that, also I enjoy with my friend, and I spend whole day.
So what was the what is the weather in your Kuwait?
Hmm. So now, if I say weather, so a winter season has started. Okay, and I am feeling cold, and you can see that now I am wearing t-shirt. Okay, I'm
Yes,
feeling
yes.
cold. Okay, so yeah, weather is normal little bit, but in the morning time, in can say evening time. Okay, we
Yes.
feel much
Yeah.
cool.
Yes, yes. In our side, like India, that means in our Jharkhand and Bihar, like and it is like in morning times and also evening times, a very cold temperature. But like in afternoon times, and that means in this time, not much cold, little bit, not much. But like
Mm-hmm.
in December will come, then like cold will increase a little bit.
Yes, definitely. When comes, December, January, okay, definitely, cold will increase. Okay, and lots of people will purchase warm clothes. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so do you purchase jacket every year?
Yes. No, no, no. I have a jacket before 2 year I purchased because yeah 1 years but not like every years like will purchase any like jacket and sweater. Just before 1 year I have a jacket and it is for me like yeah that you can say uh, I will purchase next year but in this year I will not purchase because yeah
Yes.
I have already have a jacket.
Mhm. Yes, yes. Yeah, Indian people, can say do like this, like if I say, about poor, okay. So
Yes.
suppose I am poor, and I have purchased jacket, this year. So I will not purchase, jacket, next, you can say next year, isn't it? And after wearing the jacket, can say I clean, people clean the jacket, and they put it into the box, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
And if I talk
But
about
yeah,
you know rich person can do anything, because he has lots of money, isn't it?
yes,
They have lots of, they can do anything. Okay, they can jacket, they can purchase jacket every day. Okay,
they
so
always spend their money like in clothes and food and phones. And also like new clothes like market will in market will like come different clothes. That times rich people they always like buy a new cloth because yeah, as
Because yeah,
a
they have
like
lots of money. That's why. Mm. And lots of people, can say 80% people, are poor in the India, isn't
yes,
it?
yes,
And only
yeah.
20% people are rich.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
we have, if we are poor, so we have to, we have to think before going to spend money, and we have to think, why am I, spending money, right?
yes, yes.
Because I'm poor. If I save money,
Mm.
today, so definitely, this money will for me, will work for me tomorrow in my future, right? So we should save money. We should not spend money.
And like we always buy like that means suppose my like cloth size is M size, but just I buy always buy L size because like whenever we like that means M size, yeah, it is perfect for me, but my parents like said me you will buy seven like L size because if you buy L size then you will wear this clothes in next year, so it is good for you.
Mm. Right, right. And do you purchase jacket, anything, cloth? If I talk about me, I'm talking about cloth. So do you purchase online and offline?
I always purchase like offline because near like all facilities available in near to like my home. That means 2 or 3 kilometer far from my home, and all things are available. Like all shops are available, like jacket shops and also clothes shop. And that so I like always purchase anything in online, not offline. Sorry, offline, not online.
Mhm. Okay. So have you purchased, have you ever purchased offline cloth? Sorry, online cloth or not?
Online cloth, I like, yeah, one time I purchased. I think before 3 or 4 months, I did first purchase one jacket. Sorry, one T-shirt, and yeah.
Okay, okay. And so one time, I purchased, one Bluetooth. So, I lost my money. I lost
Why?
1,500 rupees. Okay.
It was not good.
Because, no, it was not good. When I called him, then he said, no, sir, this Bluetooth is good. Okay. And sir told me, say, he told me that, if you purchase, sir, so I'm not going to return. Okay. We have to think. Then I said, okay, if you are telling me that, the Bluetooth is good, so please, I can take. Okay.
Okay.
After that, after giving me, I used 1 month. After 1 month, the Bluetooth, Bluetooth was started not functioning well. So that's why.
Yes, yes. Thank you for
So that's
joining
why
me, and
offline.
thank you for joining me, and
Yes, yes.
have you a nice day. Have you a nice day.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank
Yes,
you so much. You are giving me your precious time. Okay,
yes, yes.
and we'll meet next time.
Okay, definitely we will meet.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.